Can I really recession-proof my finances with just one simple trick? Let's find out. If you're like many people, you've probably worried about how to protect your finances during a recession. The good news is that there's one incredibly effective, yet often overlooked strategy to do just that. And the best part, it's not about complex investments or get-rich-quick schemes. Recessions can be brutal on our finances. Job loss, market volatility, and decreased income are just a few of the common anxieties people face. Imagine the stress of not knowing how you'll pay your bills if you lose your job, or the frustration of watching your investments plummet in value. These financial pitfalls can be overwhelming, making it difficult to stay on top of your finances. During a recession, it's easy to feel like you're losing control. Your income might decrease, your expenses might increase, and your savings might dwindle. It's a perfect storm of financial stress. And if you're not prepared, it can be devastating. You might have to make tough choices between paying bills or putting food on the table. The fear of not being able to provide for yourself or your loved ones can be paralyzing. You might feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of financial uncertainty. And the worst part? It's not just about the money, it's about the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. But what if I told you there's a simple trick to recession-proof your finances? It all comes down to building and maintaining a robust emergency fund. An emergency fund is essentially a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses or financial shocks. It's your personal financial safety net. Having an emergency fund is crucial because it gives you the flexibility to weather financial storms. It's like having a spare tire in your car. You hope you never need it, but if you do, you'll be glad it's there. The goal is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. The power of an emergency fund lies in its ability to provide peace of mind and flexibility. With a solid emergency fund in place, you'll be better equipped to handle financial shocks without going into debt or sacrificing your long-term financial goals. You might even find that you're sleeping better at night, knowing that you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Let's say you're facing a recession-related job loss. With a robust emergency fund, you can cover your living expenses while you look for a new job. You might even have the flexibility to take a break or pursue a new opportunity. The possibilities are endless when you're financially prepared. In a hypothetical scenario, imagine you're a freelance worker and a recession hits, causing clients to dry up. With a solid emergency fund, you can continue to pay your bills while you find new clients or adjust your business strategy. You might even find that you're more resilient than you thought. The core message here is that an emergency fund is your #1 defense against a recession. It's a simple yet effective tool that can give you peace of mind and financial stability. By building and maintaining a robust emergency fund, you'll be better equipped to handle financial shocks and come out stronger on the other side. So, I want to encourage you to start building or strengthening your emergency fund today. Take control of your finances and recession-proof your future. Share your current emergency fund status or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical financial advice.